Hi guys.
Welcome back to our channel, and her voice is acting very badly. So we already prepared the slime, so it wouldn't take a long time.
Yes, I do not have strep throat.
What is that? I don't know what strep throat is.
It's something very bad.
So I added a little bit of pink to my purple, and I just want to see what happens to it. It's just some food coloring. And if you want to make slime like ours, well, it isn't really finished yet, and if it turns out bad, you need all you do is take some glue.
I'm adding the solution.
This, if you have it, it's like shaving cream, but in like a jelly form, but it's still cream.
Melanie.
What?
I'm adding.
No.
Why?
That's solution. You have to squirt it in that.
Yes, I know.
Okay, I want to see what happens to hers. So show your video while you're doing it. What is it turning into? Is it turning? Maybe you need more.
No, I don't need.
Okay, I have it. Okay, you just put this. Look.
That was an accident.
Why are the tops on them? Is it turning into it? I guess you could say so. Okay, I'm gonna add some of mine.
Add a lot, like I did.
Okay, I added a bit of that. Oh, mine is like sort of transforming.
Wait, Mel, look.
Is both of us working? Look, this is mine. Mine, I did mine like purple. It looks really cool in my,
No, it doesn't.
like how I look. She doesn't like it, but I love it. And I hope it'll turn into slime because I love this color and I don't really make slime, so.
Yeah, we
both love slime, but we don't make it because we're not allowed to. Well, we are, but like
parents these
no,
days.
it's because we don't have really that much glue, so. So then, luckily, finally, I opened my glue, and then my mom got some more glue. Oh well, our mom. I just don't like saying our mom because it sounds so weird. In my opinion.
It sounds like you're saying how like.
Okay.
It's only your mom. It's only your mom too.
Okay. I think I need a little more. Okay. So you don't want to add a lot or else it'll turn into weird.
Seriously.
Did you add a lot?
No, you squirted it in my thing.
Ooh, I'm sorry. But it wasn't a lot, was it?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. Like, literally, I was just looking in mine. And then, yeah.
You call this slime.
Wait, let's feel it. Oh, it doesn't feel that good. It doesn't feel like slime.
I know yours. Wait, can I touch it? That feels nothing like slime.
Maybe it's because of the shaving cream we used.
Maybe it's because of you don't put enough.
What? This?
Yeah. Solution.
Okay. Okay, that's all.
It's just you said you needed space, and so I'm staying that way.
Okay, that sounds weird, so stop doing it. Okay, it's kind of transforming.
Now yours is like mine.
How did yours look last time? Yeah, it looked like this. It did. It was like this.
Wait, did you put more than you put in mine? I think you did.
What?
More solution than you put in mine, so that's good. Right.
Wait, let me feel. Is this like slime yet? Sorta, yes.
Feel that one in mine.
Feel, okay. Yours feels, no, I think you need more. You need more, totally. You want me to add some more?
Yeah, can I have a napkin?
Oh, yeah. Here. There you go. I don't want to add too much because before we made some regular slime with no shaving cream, and it turned out very bad, but it was okay. I mean, it was okay, but it wasn't that good. Okay. I just have to add a little by little, like very little, add by very little. Okay.
We used all the napkins.
Oh, wow. like some people. Oh no, I think our problem is we use napkins too early. I think mine's really good, like right now. Except I'm bad at doing slime because then it gets all over my fingers and then I have to take it out and then it's like this big procedure.
Wait, Mel, look.
Mine is slime! Like a weird, mine is fluffy slime. Oh my god. I just think it needs a little bit more. And you know, oh, I spilled on the table. You know what's so good? If we ever need to make slime with contact solution, my mom wears contacts.
Here, Mel, look.
So that we all always...
Look, Mel.
Yeah, mine is like, oh, let me feel it. I'm just gonna take a piece. Don't take mine! Great, now there's a little bit of pink in mine. Okay, I need a little bit more.
Melanie, look.
Okay, wow, this looks cool. Because, oh my god, mine needs more color. Mine looks mostly bad. And I don't know if it'll add the color, actually. So I need to just hope that it'll add a color. Okay, excuse me. Okay. What's this? Take it out. Like at first it looks cool, and now since I hardly added
Wait, can we
anything.
change spots?
Why?
Because I want to be in the camera.
You are on the camera. Okay.
Melanie, look.
Yeah. Well, our stepbrother, brother. Okay. So I did add more.
So guys,
color.
we're gonna end the video soon.
Yeah, because we actually made slime. So yeah, that's gonna be our video for today. And thank you for watching our video. And please subscribe because our goal for November, well, our goal for December, for December 1st is to get about 15 subscribers. So please subscribe and like this video, and yeah. And maybe next time I'll show you how our things turned out. Bye!